Hello college hustler, this is Divyansu welcoming you all in part second of Canva magical feature integrated with AI. The four features are Magic Eraser, Translate, Beat Sync, Magic Write. Let's start by Magic Eraser, but all these features is only available for Canva Pro. But if you don't have Pro account, so you can avail Canva Pro by watching this video. Then use this feature. Magic Eraser tool helps you to erase anything from your photo. So let's try with me. Here I selected a street view picture and in this photograph we are going to check this feature. Click on edit photo and here on top you find Magic Eraser. Just click on that and here you can adjust the size of brush. Now highlight the part properly which you want to remove and now here we get this. No one can guess that previously there is a pole. Now we again try this to this van and we highlight it properly and after a while we get this. This is a very awesome tool and time saving. The next feature is translate feature. Here I use whiteboard design type. In this box I have added some text to it. Now to access this feature, go to app in sidebar and here you find translate feature. Now click on that. Here you will find interface like this. Top is detect language, second is translate to which language, like here I select Hindi and test, and last is to select the page. Here only page 1. So click on translate. Your text got converted into Hindi or can convert into French, just changing to French, and here is the output. But if anyone from you understand French, cross check the output. The next feature is beat sync. This feature is quite helpful for making videos because this feature helps to align the video with beat. Like here I selected a bunch of videos to experiment with and I also choose a audio file for that. Initially the video is like this. You can see no proper beat is aligned with the starting of the video. So on top you find beat sync option, click on that. Now you can see the beat is properly organized. You can try this by own. Next feature is Magic Write. This is the most awesome feature in Canva update. Just like ChatGPT, whose AI gives output according to the prompt you give. This tool makes your life easy and I solve the problem of writing. It provides you a precise and accurate output. Like here I put 3 things needed for being successful. Here is our output. The result is quite satisfying. So let's all the magical feature. Don't miss the part 1 of the Canva magical feature and also hack to get Canva Pro. Must watch all this.